Hi, I'm Holly Ayers, and I'm the Teen Services Librarian at the Lincoln Township Public Library. Our summer reading program begins June 14th and runs through July 31st. This year's theme is Tales and Tales.
Hi, I'm Vicki Rausch, and I'm part of the Teen Department. Today we're going to demonstrate how to create a dragon egg. Bag of supplies will be available at the youth desk June 14th through June 30th. Supplies are very limited, so make sure you sign up early. In your bag, you'll have approximately 300 thumbtacks, half silver and half gold, and a styrofoam egg. You'll need to provide your own craft glue. We do not recommend that you use super glue because it will melt the styrofoam. This is what they will end up looking like. Now, we painted ours. We actually painted these with nail polish and then put glitter nail polish over it. If you want to do that, you don't want to do just the gold and silver, that is fine. Please make sure you do it either outside or with an open window because the fumes are going to be pretty bad. For starters, you want to take the fat end of the egg and put one push pin in the very bottom. Then you're going to take the other push pins up right where it meets the edges of the others, and just start layering. And you just go around and around and around. Now once you start getting up to about here, it's going to start looking weird. It doesn't look even. Keep going. This is perfectly normal. It will all work out in the end. Okay, as you can see, we're about 3/4 of the way through. I've used up all the gold tacks that I had, and I've started interlapping silver tacks in so that it just makes like a speckled thing. And now I'm going to go completely to the silver. You can do mostly gold, mostly silver. If you have enough, you can do either all gold or all silver. But as you can see, as it started out back here, and now we've overlapped all the way up to here. Okay, so the egg is now finished. There's one final thing we need to do. You need to take out the top, very top one. You're gonna see it's a weird shape, so if you get a weird shape, don't worry about it. That's the way it's supposed to be. Then you need to take just a dot of glue, put it back in the hole you made, and hold it down really hard until the glue sets.
I hope that this demonstration was helpful. You'll use approximately 250 thumbtacks. It kind of depends on how close together you space them or how far apart. I'm going to show you some samples that we have here. This is the egg that Vicki just completed. As you can see, this form was a little smaller than the one we used previously. And as you can see, the way she has spaced the pins, they're pretty close together. This is the egg she made in the past, and again, she has a habit of putting them closer together. It does create a good scale effect. Now, I have a habit of putting them a little further apart. It still creates a scale effect, but as you can see, it's a little different. Let's do a little comparison, just of the difference between my scale look and her scales. So your egg is going to look different. It's going to be unique, which is part of the fun. But just keep in mind, depending on how closely you space them together, this is what the difference will be. I hope that you've enjoyed watching us put together the eggs, and I hope you enjoy putting together your egg. Please go to our website at www.lincolntownshiplibrary.org. There will be a link there to our Facebook page as well as our YouTube channel, and this video will be available on both if you need to watch it again. And also there will be a lot of information on there for the summer reading program. So I hope that you'll join us for some of the other fun events we'll be doing this summer. Thanks.